A ray is incident at an angle of incidence I on one surface of a small angle prism with angle of prism A and emerges normally from the opposite surface. If the refractive index of the material of the prism is mu, then the angle of incidence is nearly equal to. Okay, तो यहाँ पे we have prism with angle of prism A which is very small. A क्या है हमारे पास? Small angle. Okay. A ray is emerges normally from the opposite surface. So this is the opposite surface. यहाँ से रे इंसिडेंट हुआ होगा. ओके और फिर वो यहाँ से रिफ्रैक्ट करके फिर इमर्ज आउट नॉर्मली. ओके तो कोई ऐसे रे बनाते हैं राइट कि ये देखो नॉर्मल का मतलब क्या है कि ये जैसा जा रहे हैं वैसा ही सीधा चला जाएगा. दैट इज कॉल्ड नॉर्मल इमर्जेंस. सो दिस एंगल इज 90. अब यहाँ पे ऐसे रिफ्रैक्ट कब होगा? जब रे ऐसे इंसिडेंट हुआ होगा. ओके यहाँ पे एक नॉर्मल आएगा. दिस इज अवर normal. This angle is angle of incidence. This angle is 90. So this angle we can say, let us find out question mark. Okay, so or we can give the name small a. So we know that small angle A plus prism angle A plus this is 90 is equal to 180 degree. We need to calculate small a. So what is small a? 180 minus 90. So 90 and this A will become minus A. So angle A is 90 minus A. What is this angle called? Let's say small b. Okay, small b. Now this angle, this is our normal. Okay, so ये वाला angle क्या होगा? This angle is 90. So we can say A plus small b should be equal to 90 degree. So we need to calculate b. So what is b? 90 minus A. A क्या है? A is 90 and minus plus 90 cancel. तो B क्या मिला मुझे? Again prism angle A which is very small, that is given in the numerical. Okay, so here we have incident angle. This is called angle of refraction also. B क्या है? Angle of refraction. Refractive index is 1 for air. Here refractive index is mu for prism, it is given. Okay, so using Snell's law we can write 1 into sine of angle of incidence is going to be equal to refractive index of prism sine B which is equal to angle of prism A. Okay, now if angle is very small then sine A is nearly equal to angle A, so we can easily write mu A. If this angle is very small तो ये angle भी क्या होगा? Very small ही होगा ना. So we can write I. So I is equal to mu A जो हमें find करना था, angle of incidence. Okay, it is mu multiplied by A. So option B is the correct answer.